का स्ट्रक्चर नक्शे 9 का, डिजाइन स्ट्रक्चर 10 का, 8 से 15 का, कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रैक्टिस मैनेजमेंट 12 का, फ्लूड उससे 13 का, इंजीनियर हाइड्रोलॉजी 2 का, इरीगेशन इंजीनियरिंग 8 का, इन्वायरमेंट इंजीनियरिंग 14 का, जियोटेक 13 का, सर्वे इंजीनियरिंग 12 का, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन 11 का। कुछ नदी खाली नॉट फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग लॉसेस इन वेस्ट इन वाटर सप्लाई स्कीम। वाटर डिमांड इसमें से कौन सा डिफाइन करता है? वाटर डिमांड। कुछ वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फॉरकास्टिंग मेथड फॉर पॉपुलेशन आल्सो नोन एज यूनिफॉर्म इंक्रीज मेथड, अर्थमेटिक इंक्रीज मेथड। स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी ऑफ a reservoir can be estimated by using किससे? फ्रेगमेंटरी फॉर्मूला। मॉडर्न कमर्शियल टर्बोमीटर व्हिच वर्क्स ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट एट राइट एंगल टू इंसिडेंट इज कॉल्ड, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? नेफ्लोमीटर। कुछ वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कॉल्ड बाय प्रोटोजोअल इन्फेक्शन अंडर वाटर बॉर्न डिजीजेस, amoebic dysentery. Which one of the following methods adopted for purifying the public water supplies? ये D मतलब screening, sedimentation and disinfection. Considered according to Stokes law, if the diameter D is less than 0.1 mm, then the settling velocity of a spherical particle is exactly proportional to क्या हो जाएगा? D square. Dividing G minus 1 D is over D. What is the settling velocity of this particle in water under condition here? A Reynolds number is less than 0.5. Take the diameter and specific capacity as 5 into 10 to the minus 3 to 10 2.6 centimeters per cube can be so to 80 degrees Celsius 1.01 into 10 to the minus 2 centimeters square per second. G is 9.81. The rate of filtration of basic filter as compared to rapid filter कितना चाहिए? B. Rate of RJ कितना? 3000 लीटर पर आवर पर मीटर स्क्वायर। फिल्ट्रेशन रेट ऑफ प्रेशर फिल्टर 6000 से 18000 लीटर पर आवर। अब देखो, the stones can be suitably well seasoned. The resistance of stone against the wear their natural is to be high. ये पहला सही होगा। The tensile strength or ultimate strength to define the highest level of engineering stress for ductile material. The tensile strength corresponds to the point at which necking starts. Point starts से होगा, ठीक है। The use of slope deflection method. The limited structure which are not highly indeterminate. The slope deflection equation can be obtained by using the principle of superstructure by considering separately the moment developed by at each slope due to each of the displacement and then loads. In the partial safety factor design, based design format, the design capacity is defined by considering the corresponding partial safety factor. The partial safety factor associated with the inherent and modeling uncertainty. ये सही बात है, correct है। The theory of reinforcement concrete is developed with the assumption that there is perfect bond between steel and concrete. In other words, there is no slip. सही बात है। In case of lead, there is no need to check the bond for गड़बड़ है। The boundary layer thickness decreases distance from the leading edge increases. ये गड़बड़ है। The greater the connecting capacity of the flat, greater the boundary layer thickness. सही बात है। The catchment of 6 rainfall in a year. The annual rainfall recorded by the Raj A 82.6, B A होगा, C होगा, D होगा. For a 10% error of the estimated value of the mean rainfall, what is the optimum number of station in the catchment? P 118.6 है. सिग्मा M minus 113 5.04 और E is equal to 10 हो गया। तो B इक्वल टू NCB by F E का होगा इसका। C इक्वल टू सिग्मा by P into 100 हो गया। N यहाँ से आ गया। Which one the following define the process by which water leaves a living plant to living photosynthesis? Thaw its leaves to enter the atmosphere as water vapor. ये ट्रांसपिरेशन हो जाएगा। Transpiration the process by which water leaves the body of a living plant and reaches the atmosphere as water vapor. सही है। Which one of the following the gap developed in the canal bank due to erosion of some portion of the bank? Here a canal bridge होगा। Which one of the following stages does the river wetland system mixture of boulder, gravel, shingles and nodule and deposits created by itself? Here a boulder river stage. Which one of the following are the only two factors which govern the storage factor of the reservoir? Catchment area and outflow. Formation of the successive bend of the reverse order may lead to the formation of complete S curve called Shakauti millimeter बोलते हैं। The monthly consumption values for paddy are tabulated as below. What is the average monthly consumption we use? ये तो 23.1। कैसे? देखो, पहले एवरेज निकाल लिया, एवरेज निकाल के मंथली कंजम्पशन 30 से मल्टीप्लाई करके ये हो गया, ठीक है। वाटर बेयरिंग स्ट्रेटम हैव नो कन्फाइंड अपेरेबल ओवर बर्डन लाइंग ओवर इट इज नोन एज क्या होता है? अनकन्फाइंड एपिसोड बोलते हैं, ठीक है। द परमेबल ग्रोन्स मेड फ्रॉम टिम्बर स्टेक्स और वुडन पाइल्स आर कॉल्ड द बल्लिश पोस्ट। ए रिजर्वर विद अनकंट्रोल्ड अनलिटेड आउटलेट क्या बोलते हैं? ये रिटार्डेड बेसिन इसको बोलते हैं, ठीक है। द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द आउटर एज ऑफ द क्लॉकवाइज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज लूप्स ऑफ द मीटर को क्या बोलते हैं? मीटर बेल्ट बोलते हैं, ठीक है। जो which one of the following is the one who rests in a previous stratum and draws its supply from the centimeter? कौन सा? वो D shallow well. The Various types of water demand which a city may be broken down into which one of the following classes. D. Domestic water, festival water, demand for public use. In a big city with population 50 lakh, if 6 moderate fire each of 3 hours break out in a year, what is the approximate amount of water required per person per day? Assume 3 jet cylinders water from a hydrant with a charge of 1100 लीटर पर मिनट पर स्ट्रीम. ये क्या हो जाएगा? लेस देन 1 मिनट. ये हो जाएगा. देखो पॉपुलेशन निकाला, टोटल निकाला, टोटल वॉल्यूम निकाला, पर गेट निकाला. For water supply scheme design of a town or city, the suitable method of estimating future population by the end of the design period. कितना हो जाएगा? B. ये मतलब decreasing rate method. The thickness and design of pavement mainly depends on किससे होगा? design wheel load. For traffic survey using origin distance wheel, the most suitable method in case of heavy traffic and efficiency skilled or trained person. क्या होगा? return course calculator. In traffic control, the speed at which vehicle are presumed to travel through the coordinated signal is known as speed of progression. The pressure outside the droplet of the water of droplet diameter 0.04 is 10.32 meter per meter square. What is the pressure within the droplet if surface tension 0.0725 of water? अब देखो डेल्टा को सिग्मा बाई आर हो गया. सब वालों का पी नोट हुआ तो ऐड कर दो. व्हाट इज दिस कॉस्टिंग ऑफ वाटर तो नाइट्रोजन स्टॉक्स एंड इंसेक्ट 0.9. ये गामा ये है एसआई 1.9 तो गामा इसको नहीं है. A 2 meter wide tank contains water up to height of 0.5 above its breast. A miscible liquid of specific gravity 0.8 is filled on the top of the water up to 1 meter. What is the total pressure force on one side of the tank? ये कितना हो जाएगा? D 18.15. अभी देखो इसको कुछ है. A piece of uniform varying cross section carries an oil of 0.8 cm. The diameter of the pipe is 200 meter at 1 and 7 meter at end. The end B is located is height 4 meter high. The what is the loss of water here in the pipe? The pressure reading is A is equal to 9.81 Newton per second, can be 5.886 Newton per second. Discharge 200 liter per G 9 हो गया. PA plus rho is equal to 11.494. VA square by 2G 2.0. ZA minus ZD is 4 है तो यहाँ P1 यहाँ VA square भी है. दोनों कर देंगे तो देखो हेड लॉस ये हो गया. Air at standard condition flow over a plate between 2 and 3 meter per second. What is the thickness of boundary layer at a distance of 1 meter from the leading edge plate to the continuous height of 1.5 into 2 meter, density 1.23 kilogram per meter square. Rho is equal to rho v x upon mu. यह इसका RE 15 का मतलब लगना है. And upon x 5 को root of x डालें तो यहाँ आ जाएगा. Water is flowing with a velocity 1.5 meter per second in a pipe of length 2500 meter and depth 500. Valve is provided at the end of pipe. What is the rise in pressure if the valve is closed at 25 seconds? T 25 seconds 12 by 6 3.4246 seconds. 12 by 6 T का मतलब केवल हो जाएगा. तो P is equal to L upon G dt. इससे सॉल्व करेंगे 15 मीटर में. The depth of flow of a critical section at which specific energy minimum. So क्या बोलते हैं? क्रिटिकल डेप्थ बोलते हैं. क्रिटिकल डेप्थ बोलते हैं. डेप्थ ऑफ फ्लो से क्या बोलते हैं? क्रिटिकल डेप्थ बोलते हैं. जो दी फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट जो दी फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू का प्लान टर्बाइन क्या होता है? पेरिफेरल वेलोसिटी एट इनलेट आउटलेट इक्वल होता है. Speed of generator can be maintained constant only if the speed of turbine runner is constant equal to the given by the n equal to 60 or by rho. It is known as क्या होता है? synchronous speed बोलते हैं. So study the following statement regarding related to negative slip of the reciprocating angle. 1 to the actual discharge of the pump more than theoretical discharge, the coefficient of discharge will be more than ND. सही बात है ना. अब कैसे निकालेंगे? परसेंटेज क्यू थ्रेड का बाई क्यू एक्चुअल क्यू थ्रेड का 100 स्लिप अगर 0 से कम है क्यू थ्रेड को सभी क्यू एक्चुअल थ्रेड को ज़्यादा होती है. A single acting reciprocating pump has a cylinder of diameter 250 or stocks of 350. If the speed of the pump is 60 rpm and it delivers 16.5 liter per second of water against a section head of 5 meter and delivery head of 20 meter, what is the coefficient of discharge? D 0.96. की theoretical ALN by 60 हो जाएगा. दिस जो theoretical 60 में हाँ क्या steam function is given by the expression psi is equal to 2x square minus y square. What is the resultant and velocity point divided by x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. A देखो psi is equal to 2x square minus y square, u is equal to minus d psi by dy minus d dy 2x square minus y square, u is equal to 2y, v is equal to 2 d sub by dx is equal to 4x, x y 2 और 3 डाले तो u is equal to 6 और v is equal to v यूनिट यहाँ से निकाल. But if which one of the following is the source of error in curve computation and layout, because the use of less than full depth on arc and definition curve. ठीक है, ये हो गया. सोर्स ऑफ एरर लिखी लो यहाँ. क्या हम इसे बताइए, फोटोग्राफिक सर्वे सुटेबल फॉर स्मॉल स्केल मैपिंग ऑफ ओपन हिल और माउंटेनियस कंट्री. What is the difference of longitudinal between two places C and D from the following longitudinal? C A 80 degree, longitudinal of 47 degree और longitude of D 64 degree. ये हो गया C 80 degree. If the following if the focal length of the lens and flying height and the height of the ground above mean sea level H are known, the scale of the height S is equal to A F H upon minus H. The terrestrial photography can be divided into how many branches? C 2. Plane table terrestrial. Which one of the following is an aerial photography taken with the camera एक्सीडेंटली इंटेंशनली विद इन दी हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल. क्या हो जाएगा, ऑब्लिक फोटोग्राफी इसको बोलते हैं. ठीक है, एक ऑब्लिक होता है, ट्रेडिशनल होता है. The plane load test carried on submerged soil using a 300 meter radius plate with load of 5 ton resulted in a deflection of 1.2 mm. What is the elastic modulus of the soil by considering the position 0.5? 56 minus P is equal to P upon A square और डेल्टा इज टू 1.18 पी अपन ई एस अपन एफ टी हो जाएगा यहाँ से करना है. इन केस हॉरिजॉन्टल कर्व इन पेमेंट द पर्पस ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ ब्रेकिंग फॉर क्या होता है, काउंटरएक्शन रिपीटरलेस व्हीकल अराउंड पेपर. कुछ द फॉलोइंग आर द डिजाइन एलिमेंट्स इन हाई एम्बैंकमेंट. क्या होता है, ए फिल हाइट, फिल मटेरियल और सेटलमेंट, तीन होते हैं. Consider the following statement related to construction bituminous pavement. B 2 and 3. Construction bituminous. पहली बात, in India the bituminous construction is by and large adopted by the surface course. पहला, the block top construction is in infancy in developing nation. ये जो होता है. The held water in subgrade soil forms ice crystal at the same spot. If the freezing temperature continues for a certain period, these ice crystals grow further in size. If there is a continuous supply of water due to capillary action and the depressed temperature continues, this result in raising a portion of the pavement structure known as क्या होता है, frost ही बोलते हैं. Process is related to IRC recommendation of the CBR method of design. D. The CBR test should be performed on the molded soil of in the field. सही बात है. Before the design of new road, the subgrade soil should be compacted at OMC to perform. ये भी सही बात है. This refer new construction. The CBR test may be soaked in water for 4 days period before testing. सही बात है. Which of the following measures should be taken for maintaining rolling stock? D. Lubrication of all broken bearings with a suitable lubricant should be done. ये होते हैं. Space mean speed restriction. ये कहा C. The average speed of a vehicle on a certain road length of at any time. C. The average speed of a vehicle in a certain road at ये होगा speed limit. The vehicle has a wheel base of 6.5 meter. What is the off-tracking velocity of car path within mean radius of 42? OT is equal to L square by 2 R. यहाँ से सही बचता है. What is the value of which one of the following does not affect the permeability of this soil? Soil से नहीं करता, तो क्या फर्क करता है, what does your temperature grain size ये हो गया. K equal to C to 10 E cube Y upon 1 plus E plus E. K 10 is equal to 10 E और ये हो गया. Consistency is a term used to indicate B. The degree of hardness of cohesive soil ये हो गया. The primary function of geogrid क्या है, तो C reinforcement होता है इसका. ठीक है. Which one of the following is a laboratory method for determining the coefficient of permeability of soil? ये क्या होता है, C. मतलब constant permeability following दोनों होते हैं. Which one of the following actually not measured by geophysical method of soil splitting? Plasticity ये नहीं होता, तो होगा क्या, magnetism, density, electrical. Which one of the following is the method of weight mechanics of fine grain material? A. Partial sedimentation. According to the National Highway Research Board classification, which one of the following is not relevant for the detailed group index of the soil? Single element. GI का फॉर्मूला 0.2 A plus 0.05 005 0.2 हो गया, फिर 20 0.05 AC. जिससे क्या होगा, दोनों को कर दो मल्टीप्लाई तो 5 गुना 10, तो 0.1 हो गया. 0.01 BD होगा. परसेंटेज फाइनल 25 एंड परसेंटेज C और WL माइनस 40 से ज़्यादा है नहीं होते, IP माइनस 10 हो गया. An overdrying having a mass of 20 gram 200 grams placed in a picnometer which is then completely filled with water. The total mass of the picnometer with water and soil inside is 1605. The picnometer filled with water alone has a mass of 1480. Specific gravity क्या होता है, W2 minus W 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. A sample of a soil sample has a porosity 47. The specific gravity of soil is 2.7. What is the weight ratio? C 0.067. And E is equal to N1 minus N. N minus N. Which one of the following is used to determine different strata in the earth crust? D. Geological survey. Consider the following statement related to set out the curve using the truth altimeter T1 to 3. Set out a light over T1 and another T2. Set the position of each of the instrument to 0. Direct the instrument at T1 to the ranging at the point B and bisect it. Up in setting out location of PR, the center point of the PR are located by intersection of sites. Simultaneous sites are being taken. क्या होता है? End of the basin होता है, ठीक है. Which one of the following tapes is generally used for measure for work for fire position AD in war tape के लिए? The vertical circle which is at right angle to the meridian is known as क्या बोलते हैं? Prime vertical. Which one of the following is staff reading taken on a point whose elevation to be determined? A 45. The value for position for brass metal क्या होता है? C 0.34 होता है. Brass intensity. The hole is to be punched through a steel plate of 8 mm thick. What is the least diameter of the hole which can be punched? The steel punch can be worked on a compressive stress of 800 Newton per meter square. The ultimate shear stress is 300 Newton per meter square. B होगा 12 mm. सिग्मा ही होगा, सिग्मा C होगा. पाई C पाई H भी होगा. पंचिंग मतलब एरिया वो यूज करते हैं. DT यूज किया है. B करते हैं, यहाँ से ये डाल देती है जो है. अब तुम्हारा